Hello guys, today I'm going to share you how you can preview a picture in your Windows 11. First, look at my PC. I'm opening a document, then I can preview it, but here is no preview. But in previous system of Windows 7 or Windows 10, it can be previewed. Okay, now I show you how you can solve this problem. First, open your picture folder, then click any picture, select any picture and click three dot here. Now go to options, okay, to select view, and here is this options only show icons, never thumbnails. Just untick this and now apply. Okay, done. Thanks for watching.